Hey guys, what's up? So troubleshooting the top S3 tweets for iOS 11 up to iOS 16. So the first tweak is called WA, stands for WhatsApp, no voice slash record, and it's compared with iOS 12 and up in the latest WhatsApp application version as of this tweak, which was back on March 18, 2023. So you might downgrade to that version if it's not working on later versions. This is a neat tweak that disables a new voice status recording feature of WhatsApp application. And it's by with City Geek, which is he's an amazing developer, guys. He made a bunch of tweaks. Alright, this series called Neon Board. It's a fully featured lightweight theming engine for iOS 15 or above. This series called Taco Fits. It makes Taco work on iOS 15 and iOS 16. Alright, this series called Comet version 1.0. It's a Swift UI preferences framework. So a developer framework that allows tweak preference panes or pans to be written in pure modern Swift UI. Verify does cost $1.99. Here's some screenshots of the tweak, which you guys can already tell by the title and by the screenshots. It gives you the lyrics. So it's alternate lyrics tweak for iOS. So if you ever wonder what your favorite song lyrics were without Apple Music, it's rather tedious task to search them up. So this tweak allows you to easily view the lyrics to your favorite songs directly on your lock screen. So with a simple tap of a button, you can open a gorgeous view of your lyrics designed to stay true to the iOS design language. Supports Spotify, Apple Music, SoundCloud, YouTube Music, Tidal, and any other application that has proper music playback. So you guys can read the more information about it. This is called No SB Reload, and this replaces the SB Reload with traditional resprings to fix autofill issues. The next tweak is called No In-App Safari and disables the in-app browsers globally. Next tweak is called OLED mode for Discord version 1.0.1, and it's a tweak that makes the Discord mobile app colors much darker and the chat background completely black. Some elements are left slightly gray to maintain contrast and a good user experience, which any device with the latest Discord app can run on, compiled for ARMv7, ARM64, and ARM64E devices. We have Shooter Star, right? And we have a bunch of different versions, depending on what iOS version you have. You have one for iOS 13 and iOS 14, and I think one for iOS 14 through 16, so which is the one below this one. So yeah, it's just pretty much it's a font for your device by Evelyn. Next series called All-Star version 1.6.2. It's a jailbroken version of All-Star. Supports iOS 12.2 or higher, so iOS 12.2 or higher, or 13, 14, 15, and 16 completely. Has sign-in, on-device sign-in features. So I use reprovision, but this is like the next best thing to it because it requires all Damien, and I don't really deal with that kind of stuff. I just reprovision works good for me, but this is always a good alternative. And All-Star does get updated frequently, while reprovision does not. But yeah, once reprovision stops working again, because it did stop working and start working again. Once it officially stops working completely, then I'm going to move it to All-Star. So be careful not to re-sign the All-Star itself. So yeah, requires all Damien from the Cherry's repo, and you can actually sign apps without you're in a non-working status. So just sign like your Unc0ver or your Jailbreak app, and then you guys are good to use it. You could use it also for games and all that kind of stuff. If you use like a jailbreak that requires you to use the computer, then this tweak is kind of pointless. I use it mainly just for Unc0ver, but yeah, pretty cool. Also, I think you can install IPAs and stuff like that from this tweak, so definitely pretty cool. You can also from reprovision.